welcome. In this video you will learn about the research series which Murad Academy is about to launch. In this series we will try to answer all your important research questions related to how to do research, as most of the students, especially the beginners, who don't know how to start a research. They have no directions from where to start, where to find research topic. So Murad Academy has brought a research video series for you, for the beginners, to learn how to do research. Plus, now Murad Academy is also offering research services which include learn research proposal writing, thesis writing, research paper writing. Plus, Murad Academy is also offering research supervision services, research guidance services, research consultancy services as well. Plus, we are also offering plagiarism removing services, proofreading services, and we are also selling content accounts. So if you want more details, then visit our website and you can also email us on the given email ID.